Hello, boys and girls. We are working on our unit, Our World, and today we're going to be talking about our continents. Our learning target is we can tell what a continent is and identify continents on a map or globe. So let's read this book. It's called What is a Continent by Karen Jones. Our planet Earth is covered in land and water. The biggest areas of land found on our Earth are called continents. Now, everybody say continents. There are 7 continents found on Earth. There are North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica is down here at the bottom. You live here in North America. That's the continent you live on. Let's learn a little bit about all the continents of the world. This is Africa. Africa is home to the biggest desert in the whole world, the Sahara Desert. Africa is the hottest continent on Earth. Animals like giraffes, elephants, zebras, lions, cheetahs, and hippos all live in the wild in Africa. Have you ever heard of the ancient pyramids of Egypt? Those were built in Africa thousands of years ago. This is Europe. Europe is home to many famous places like the Eiffel Tower in Paris, the Leaning Tower of Pisa, and Buckingham Palace. Europe is home to many volcanoes. In fact, some volcanoes like Mount Etna still erupt today. Animals that are native to Europe and live in the wild include the lemming, reindeer, and Arctic fox. This is North America, and this is where we live. Native people lived in North America for thousands of years before people from Europe explored and moved there. North America is special because it has so many different landforms and climates. There are high mountain ranges, waterfalls, dry deserts, frozen tundras, forests, grassy plains, and even tropical rainforests. Some animals that live in the wild North American lands include bald eagles, ocelot, moose, beavers, and mountain lions. This is South America. There are many hot, humid rainforests in South America, like the Amazon rainforest. South America is home to many endangered animals like the giant Galapagos tortoise, the sloth, the jaguar, and the Amazonian manatee. South America also has the longest mountain chain in the world, the Andes Mountains. People speak mostly Spanish and Portuguese in South America. This is Asia. Asia is the biggest continent and has the most people. Over 4 billion people live there. There are so many different types of climates in Asia. Parts of Asia are cold, frozen tundras, but there's also forests, grasslands, and hot deserts. Asia's enormous size allows for so many different types of people, animals, and plants. Asia is also home to the highest mountain on Earth, Mount Everest. Some of the animals that live in Asia include the giant panda, the tiger, camel, Komodo dragon, and the king cobra. This is Australia. Australia is home to rainforests, deserts called the outback, and mountains. But there are also big cities. You've probably heard of many animals that live in the wild of Australia, including koalas, kangaroos, crocodile, kookaburra, and the platypus. This is Antarctica. Antarctica's land is completely covered in thick ice. It is very cold and dry all year long in Antarctica, even in the summer. Only certain animals that have adapted to the harsh, frigid temperatures can live on Antarctica. Penguins, seals, whales, and some birds are the main creatures that live around Antarctica. In fact, there aren't any people that actually live on Antarctica year-round. Scientists do visit to study the weather and animals, though. The biggest land masses found on Earth are called continents. Learning about and respecting the different continents and people of our world will help us become better global citizens. Now, before you start this, I want you to turn to someone that's in your house and tell them, what was your favorite continent? Which one did you think was the most interesting or had the coolest animals? Go ahead and tell someone around you. After you tell someone what your favorite continent was, you can work on this page if you are able to and if you have a printer. You're going to color the different continents. You're going to color North America green, South America yellow, Africa red, and so on. And then you can go down here and do the quick checks also. If you don't have a printer, maybe just talk about each of them and point to it and talk about each one, what you liked about each one. All right, I hope you have a great day learning, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.